Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Igusti Ngurhalan Distramnala. So right now, I would like to answer the question about criminal law. The question is, Mr. X, who live in Singaraja, is asked Mr. Y to kill Mr. Z due to the debt issues between him and Mr. Z. Mr. Z has a martial art capability and license to hold a firearms for self-defense. Due to that reason, Mr. Y as assistant from Mr. A who live in Denpasar and work as armored force to provide him an illegal firearms. When Mr. Y gets the firearms from Mr. A, Mr. Y is hunt Mr. Z in his house in Regency of Badung. When Mr. Y shot Mr. Z twice in the chest, Mr. Z still alive and shot Mr. Y in the head and Mr. Y dead instantly. Mr. Z is rescued to the Regency of Tabanan Hospital and Mr. Z is dead in Tabanan Hospital after got the treatment by Dr. B who did malpractice on the treatment of Mr. Z by wrongly infused Mr. Z with wrong blood type. The question is, where is the locus delicti of its crime that you can identify and which court has jurisdiction to hear this case for its convicts? The second one is, what count shall be charged to the person that identified in the above story under which article in the Indonesian Criminal Code? Okay, so now I would like to give my answers. Let's break down the situation and identify the locus delicti and the crimes committed by each individual along with the appropriate article from the Indonesian Criminal Code or KUHP. The first question, locus delicti and jurisdiction. Mr. X, the crime is incitement to commit the murder, locus delicti in Singaraja, jurisdiction the District Court of Singaraja. Mr. Y, the crime is attempt murder and illegal possession of firearm. The locus delicti, illegal possession of firearms. Denpasar when he arrived the firearm from Mr. A. Attempt murder, Badung, where he shot Mr. Z. Jurisdiction is the Court of Denpasar and Badung. Next one is Mr. A. Crime supplying illegal firearms. Locus delicti, Denpasar. Jurisdiction, the District Court of Denpasar. Dr. B, the crime is medical malpractice resulting in death. Locus delicti, Tabanan, where Mr. Z received the treatment. Jurisdiction, the District Court of Tabanan. The next one is crimes and articles in the Indonesian Criminal Code or KUHP. The first person is Mr. X. The crime is incitement to commit murder. Article 55 KUHP, participation in a criminal act. The second person is Mr. Y. Crime is attempt murder. Article 340 KUHP, premeditated murder, or Article 338 KUHP, murder. Illegal possession of firearm, Law Number 12, 1951 on firearms, or Indonesian Undang-Undang Darurat Nomor 12 Tahun 1951 tentang senjata api. The next person, number 3, is Mr. A. The crime is supplying illegal firearms. Article Law Number 12, 1951 on firearms. The last person is Mr. B. Crime is medical malpractice resulting in death. Article 359 KUHP, causing death by negligence. Here is the conclusion that I can find in the both of question. The first one is Singaraja District Court has a jurisdiction over Mr. X for incitement to commit murder, Article 55 KUHP. The second one is Denpasar District Court has a jurisdiction over Mr. A for supplying illegal firearms, Law Number 12, 1951. And Mr. Y for illegal possession of firearms, Law Number 12, 1951. The third, the third is Bandung District Court has a jurisdiction over Mr. Y for attempt murder in Article 340 or 338 KUHP. The last one is Tabanan District Court has a jurisdiction over Dr. B for medical malpractice resulting in death. Article 359 KUHP. That's all answer that comes from me. I apologize if there is any mistake that happens. And lastly, I close it with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. And thanks you for the